I will stop here to explain something. This will not be the usual gameplay video, but do not worry, this channel is and will be gaming channel. Just wanted to look into YouTube algorithm and how it works. This will help everyone who is about to start their own channel on YouTube. I will be researching all this information as I just started my own channel, so you can subscribe to see how all of this improves my growth. Based on your experience with YouTube, what do you think is the primary goal of the algorithm? That is correct. To determine what video a viewer wants to see. YouTube says that the goal of their algorithm is to surface the right video to the right viewer at the right time. In other words, YouTube's algorithm focuses on understanding what each viewer wants to watch and puts the relevant video in front of them at the right time. They're pretty darn good at it, too. If you've ever been sucked into watching one video after another, you've experienced this firsthand.
Video, and then I'm starting my work. What's this? Adele performing live. Ooh. Click! Holy crap, she's so good. Wait, what's this? Her new music video is out? Click.
YouTube decides what video to recommend next to each viewer based on the viewer's behavior. For example, YouTube tracks watch time, how much time a viewer spends watching a video. The longer they watch, the more valuable YouTube deems that video to be to them. Viewer preference. YouTube also tracks viewers' preference for the type of content they typically choose to consume. Viewing session length. Additionally, YouTube analyzes which videos contribute to the viewer staying on YouTube the longest, leading to the longest viewing session. Viewer satisfaction. Not only that, but YouTube also pays attention to how satisfied the viewer is with the video they just watched, called viewer satisfaction. They do this by simply asking millions of people every day what they thought about a particular video and using those responses to make predictions for other users. Search history. YouTube also considers a viewer's search history and how the user engaged, or didn't engage, with each of the results that were displayed. Viewing history. YouTube even evaluates each user's viewing history, looking at which videos they chose to watch, and not watch, in the past. And literally hundreds of other signals. Because YouTube is tracking each viewer's behavior to determine who is the best audience for a particular video, it's important to understand that your viewers ultimately determine how your videos will grow. It's not your tags, your keywords, how many likes your video gets, nor even if it gets any comments or not. So what does that mean for reaching your own goals on YouTube? It's this. If you want to win on YouTube, optimize for people, not robots. This will be the key to your success on YouTube. Make content people want to watch. In fact, it'll be helpful if, from this point forward, you forget about the YouTube algorithm. Yes, understanding the YouTube algorithm is important, but the best way to understand it is to stop thinking about it this way. YouTube algorithm equals growth. And instead, think about it this way. YouTube audience equals growth. Since YouTube's algorithm is chasing the audience, then we should, too.